Well, yes, because typically most homeowner policies do not cover flood damage. So there's particular coverage for flood damage through the National Flood Insurance Program, and that's a flood insurance policy. Well, for one thing, you could call the city. We have a flood information line. We have the National Flood Insurance Program firm maps, which is the flood insurance rate maps. And we can identify if you're in a high risk or special flood hazard area or not. And that can help you determine if you're at risk for flooding, and then you could provide that information to your insurance carrier when you seek flood insurance. Again, call your homeowner's insurance agent. The insurance agent through which you got your homeowner's policy should, in most cases, be able to help you with flood insurance. Well, there is a 30-day delay from the time your coverage starts to when you can have your first claim. So you really want to get your flood insurance before hurricane season starts because of that 30-day waiting period before you can actually file a claim. Yes, we send out notifications and brochures periodically each year, and on that brochure we talk about things you can do when a storm is imminent, and that is you want to make sure there's not brush or yard clippings and things around your yard that could clog up a storm drain, because oftentimes if those storm drains get clogged with debris, then the water's going to back up, and it could back up into your yard, or worst case scenario, into your house. So you want to make sure those flood drains are clear. Well, again, we have a website, the City of West Palm Beach. You just put in flood information or flood info or flood on our website, and you'll find a web page that gives you direction to lots of resources. The number one thing you want to do is put in a hurricane plan, and there are materials out there that can help you plan for a hurricane event. And it tells you, basically the plans can tell you all the things you need to do in preparation, and also gives you lots of contact numbers.